OMNIACS, I'm coming to you at a very solemn moment in my life. You know, I created this Omni token and I held it up, the foundation. I made sure I would never sell a single token, continued to buy to the tune of hundreds of thousands of dollars to make sure my OMNIACs all around the world can do well. And so many of you have done well. And today, while I was presenting at New York University, Community University of New York, I got hacked. And this bar right here that you see is real. Somebody sold all my tokens on me. The Omni token's fine, Pump is fine, but I got hacked, traders. I need help. I need friends right now. They took $1 million from me. I created a GoFundMe page, which will be listed below this video. Please see if you can help the OMNIAC community. We got to get this coin back to where it was, and I would love to somehow get help from the community out there so I can help you and get this coin back to its value. But sorry to say, I was hacked. They took all of my coin from me. And you know, I've done everything in my power to make sure you Omniacs around the world did really well with this coin. I never sold a single token. I could really use your help right now. Omniacs, I am calling for my Omniacs to unite. Please either click the GoFundMe link or buy the Omni token and let's get this back to where it was. And I'll continue to be that rock I have been all along. I thank you for anything that you can do to help out the Omni cause. There are Omniacs all over the world affected by this, and we really could use your help. I thank you so much. My apologies that this happened. I thought it was safe to present to a college in New York City. You know what I mean? It's solid. It's the professor on the phone with me. We were doing a Google Meet, and somebody got my coins while I was doing the Google Meet. I don't know what to say, traders. I can use some friends right now. Please help in any way you can. Thank you for everything that you do, and I'll continue to do everything that I do for you out there.